Hi guys, in front of me is CAT S75 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. So at first enroll the list of all apps, then go to the settings. Now find and select password and accounts, and here as you can see we've got the current Google account. So let's start in with removal process. At first open the account that you wish to remove and smoothly select remove. Now confirm that you wish to do it, tap on OK and provide your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you prefer. And it's no longer connected with this device. So then if you want to add some Google account for the first time, or maybe you want to reactivate the previous one, just open password and accounts again and click on plus icon. Here select Google, make sure that you've got the network connection and provide your email address or phone number. And click on next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. So once the proper password is entered, tap on next and then mark if this phone belongs to you or to your kid and tap on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and also privacy policy, and if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. On accept then, and that's it. As you can see, it is added. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.